Today, we're diving right in.
Ready to set the pool? 10-foot by 30-inch pool. We have an air compressor.
And doing it RV style.
Is it our first time using it?
We'll have some firsts.
Oh my gosh! Good at sticking things in the hole, babe.
And then toss on the suits.
Cheers, guys. I'm gonna go enjoy the pool.
Are you ready for some fun in the sun? Let's do it.
Ready to set the pool?
Yeah, we gotta like set our camp up for it.
10-foot by 30-inch pool.
Yeah, we pulled up with these other people over here. So we have one for sale.
Soon after arriving, I went over to get our new pool. Nothing says country camping like lounging in a blow-up pool outside your RV sipping on a cold one.
So we bought it, really cool. The beautiful
Nice.
thing about this is we don't have to do it by mouth. We have an air compressor on the RV, so we're gonna use that. Is it our first time using it?
Yeah, I don't know if it'll work, we'll see. I mean, I have a thing. I mean, basically you just use the air from the system, right? So I don't know. All right, so the water comes in a little bit, so let's get this thing blown up and the camp set up.
I'm so excited. I've been wanting to play in a pool on this trip. Hubby's gonna make it happen.
This will be our first time using the air compressor. We weren't sure if we even had one, but the guy next to us that actually we got the pool from, he's like, he has the same motor coach, and he's like, you have an air compressor? I'm like, heck yeah. And then he gave us the fitting. Oh, Jeremiah got it.
We haven't used this, but I saw it. It's been sitting in a bag in the closet. Should be able to use this like an air compressor, like air things up.
It hooks up right here. Then it uses the RV's air system to charge the hose.
You wanna do it?
Okay. Oh my gosh, what was that?
He has jokes. Let's get this thing aired up.
Good at sticking things in the hole, babe. You ready?
Yeah.
This is exciting.
Yeah.
Ah!
You got it.
It was just a few seconds before we had a blown up pool.
Probably good.
Oh man, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's nice, right?
You got any more floaties I can blow up?
I know.
That was fun. So we need one of these because our neighbor gave it to us to use.
Yeah.
That's
Look at
pretty
her.
cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a fun little toy.
Then it was time to organize the camp and find the most level ground possible.
Did you figure it out?
I'm piecing it together.
It's kind of cool. It has a filtration system.
Yeah, you know, that way, you know, you just pee in there, you're solid.
Well, I was worried about overnight if anybody's gonna come over and pee in the pool.
I know, I thought about that.
Oh my gosh. So it sounds like you have lots of time. He thought this was 151.
All right, good.
He's like, I'll just wait. I'm supposed to do you guys last, but you're first. I'm like, well, we're not ready. He's
Yeah.
like, okay, I'll come back.
After a bit, the man came back and we took about 900 gallons of water.
Nice.
This cost us about $100, but it was so worth it.
How is it?
Cheers, guys. I'm gonna go enjoy the pool.
We spent the afternoon hanging with the kids, just playing around in the cool water. Then nap time was approaching and it was mom and dad time. We always make it a point to spend time together when the kids have their break. Gotta keep it going, right? Now that it's our time, why not try on a brand new Sling It bikini?
Speaking of fresh.
Floating bar, right?
Yeah.
Cheers,
Cheers,
babe.
sweetie.
Do you feel the warm air?
Yeah, it is like warm. Huh?
Beautiful.
What do you think of Wisconsin so far, sweetie?
I love it. Well, it's kind of like rolling
Well, like
hills.
the fact that you can see a field in front of us is incredible compared to where our first spot was.
That was bad.
They were great about moving, right?
Yeah. So this bikini I got before I was pregnant. You got it for me.
Yeah, Sling It bikinis, right?
Never had a chance to wear it. I haven't worn like a sexy bikini like this since
after pregnancy.
Oh, you look great,
Right?
babe.
I'm starting to finally come back to like
Oh, you look beautiful.
me.
Yeah.
It's weird.
And you know what's
Hot
great
and
is the
sexy.
RV has shades all up there. So nap time, mommy, daddy get to come out here.
Well, Reese's nap time has turned into he gets 2 hours of like iPad time.
Yeah.
After a long day in the pool, we walked on over and enjoyed some more country music. Well, last night of, I was gonna say Fantasy Fest, not Fantasy Fest, Country Fest, which has been really cool. Tonight's the Zach Brown Band, and who else? Billy Currington we want to see. But the funny thing is it's supposed to downpour rain, so we may not go. And I'm sitting here and I'm like, okay, I kind of am hoping for a downpour lightning storm because all of a sudden everybody's attracted to us and the party's moving in next door again and we've moved 3 times. But I'm not hoping for rain so we can go to the concert because obviously we can't go.
This won't be that bad. They look like fun kids.
But I'm sure they're
You've
fun.
reached the age where
But
you
they're
don't like
probably
parties.
loud.
That's what it is.
I like parties.
This is Brittany aging.
Everything before, I love everything before nighttime.
Hello. Hello, princess.
Okay, it wasn't that bad, and these guys ended up being a lot of fun. It was time to break down the pool.
You ready to drain this thing?
Yep.
So we have 900 gallons of this that's gonna come out.
Yep.
Are you ready for that?
You're gonna get soaked. I know what I'm gonna do is you're gonna push down. I'm gonna lift the whole feet on you.
All right.
Standing on the outside?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, okay. Let me take off my sunglasses.
Come on, Mom!
I'm trying to protect my hair.
There we go.
You're gonna be fine.
Oh my gosh. I'm here.
Right?
We're in it together. Okay, just push down.
In and down.
Oh my gosh.
I'm kind of free.
1. Oh my gosh.
Just do it. 1, 2, 3.
Well, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Push it down, Reese.
Well, how else are you gonna do it? With the rain forecasted, we figured we better break it down today instead of dealing with it in the morning when we leave the festival. Sadly, the last concerts are tonight.
Okay, Mom, you try. You did it.
Get it, let it all out, Reese.
This was fun, and the pool has been added to the RV's toy bin. Until the next time.
Get faster.
Coming up,
Jeremiah and the baby are napping. Can't have the baby out in the rain, huh?
it's the last night. We'll take you to an awesome concert
Amazing.
before heading off for the next adventure. Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.